Current conditions indicate disruption. Pollinator deficit detected. Affected species, Bombus vosnesensky and Eschscholzia californica. Human participation is now required. Intervention will proceed. Generating role. Position generated. Seasonal Human Pollination Technician. Primary function. Manual pollen transfer across flowering bodies. The P glove. The device is informed by bee morphology, including hive structures and the fine hair-like surfaces of bee legs, to increase pollen adhesion and transfer efficiency. You will replicate the behavioral patterns of Bombus vosnesensky. Position is now open for assignment. One participant will be selected. Selection is not voluntary. Selection is ecological. Yes, you. Step forward. Enter the pollination field. Contact the stigma. Transfer pollen. Refine movement pattern. You are not simply touching flowers. Distribute contact across surfaces. Simulate vibration. Pollinate as a bee would.
Oh, I can feel you now. Almost like the bees.
Recent population declines have been observed due to habitat loss, pesticide exposure, disease, and climate instability. When pollination fails within a flowering cycle, seed production is reduced. Reduced seed production disrupts regeneration and destabilizes dependent ecological systems.
He always explains too much.
Without pollination, seed production fails. Without seeds, regeneration collapses.
Just touch. Touch. You can feel it now, can you? Not work, not task. Exchange.
Pollination cycle remains incomplete. A single Bombus vosnesensky visits approximately one flower every 5 seconds, 720 pollination events per hour. Up to 4,000 interactions per day per bee. Total pollination capacity, extensive, largely unobserved. Current human capacity is insufficient. Additional technicians required. If you are capable of sustained attention, you are eligible for reassignment. Consult DSS personnel for deployment. When pollinators disappear, labor does not.
We are still waiting.